Hi guys, welcome to WikiTutor. In this video, we are going to talk about the birds and insects, that how fast can they fly. Have you ever looked at the hummingbird or a dragonfly and marvel at just how fast their wings can flap? The actual speed of flight of some of these animals will surprise you. But before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon to receive every upload. So let's start the video. Number 1. Housefly. Though they are often too fast for us to catch, houseflies are not as fast as they seem. They manage just 7 km per hour, a brisk walking pace. Number 2. European bee. The European bee, also called the western bee, is one of the most widespread insects in the world. The title bee, when in flight, can reach 24 km per hour. Next, hornet. The hornet, also called Aponale or red crownero, is about 2.5 cm long. However, its small size doesn't prevent it from reaching 22 km per hour when in flight. Next, Asian giant hornet. Belonging to the same family of Vispids, the giant Asian hornet, also known as the Japanese hornet, is the largest in the world and can reach speed of 40 km per hour. Next, moth. The moth belongs to the same family as butterflies, but is characterized by duller colors. This nocturnal insect can fly at maximum speed of 20 km per hour. Next, horsefly. The gadfly or Tabanidia, known in English as horsefly, belongs to the Diptera family. The horse gadfly species can reach speeds of up to 42 km per hour. Locust. Slow, however, are the locusts, Arthroptera insects of the Acridiidae family. The maximum speed in flight is 9 km per hour. Mosquito. The mosquito is also part of the order Diptera, which includes about 3,540 species. Its speed in flight is between 1.5 and 2.5 km per hour. Next, fruit fly. This winged insect, among the smallest in nature, is also among the slowest. Its movements hardly exceed 5 km per hour, which is in any case a respectable speed given its very small size. Dragonfly. The queen of winged insects is the dragonfly, which beats all those seen so far with its incredible speed. The fascinating insect, belonging to the order of Odonata, can fly at a speed of 60 km per hour. Now I will talk about birds. American woodcock. Let's now move on the world of birds to find out what their speed is in flight. Let's start with the slowest one, the American woodcock. Its flight doesn't exceed 8 kilometers per hour. Seagull. The seagull belongs to the subfamily of Lariid seabirds of the order of the Charadriiformes. The most common is the loris. This famous winged species flies at a speed of around 35 to 40 kilometers per hour. House sparrow. The small house sparrow, measuring 14 to 18 centimeter and weighing no more than 40 gram, can fly at a speed of 46 kilometers per hour, therefore faster than a seagull despite its small size. Barn swallow. The barn swallow, whose scientific name is Hirundo rustica, can reach speeds of between 50 and 70 kilometers per hour during migration. Thorn-tailed swift. While the thorn-tailed swift can reach a maximum speed of 170 km per hour, ranking among the fastest birds in the world. Subbuteo falcon. The Subbuteo falcon or Eurasian hobbyist is a bird of prey of the Falconidae family. In a dive, it can reach 160 km per hour. Gray-headed albatross. This marine bird of impressive size belongs to the Dimodidae family. The gray-headed albatross can fly at maximum speed of almost 130 km per hour. Merganser duck. Another of the fastest birds in the world is a diving duck. Merganser, present in the rivers and lakes of Europe, Asia and North America. It reaches an incredible flying speed of 160 km per hour. Hummingbird. By hummingbirds, we mean all trochilids, more than 300 species. The cleft ana species can reach a diving speed of 98 km per hour or flap their wings 10 to 15 times per second. North American hummingbirds averaged around 53 beats per second in normal flight. Golden eagle. Always considered the queen of the skies. The golden eagle, a bird that belongs to the Accipitridae family, has incredibly precise flight at a truly incredible speed, 320 km per hour. Peregrine falcon. Finally, the fastest bird in the world by far is peregrine falcon, a bird of prey of Falconidae family that can reach an astonishing speed of almost 370 km per hour when swooping down on its prey. So friends, I am sure you liked the video. Stay tuned for more amazing content. See you guys in another exciting video. Thank you so much.